Hi, we are Sarah and Kim. We love traveling and being in nature. Through our passion, we visited many countries in the world.
And this brought us to where we are now, to start our dream business.
I met Kim when I was traveling to Denmark, and we immediately built a strong connection. We have always dreamed about building a business together, and when our daughter arrived, we knew the time had come.
Although we had very interesting and challenging jobs at the time, we felt that we need to do something more meaningful for ourselves and for the planet. And by small steps, improving the future for our kids and future generations.
The idea started from a frustration of ours. We had recently returned from a sailing trip where we had regular power shortages. And we had just installed a new heavy and bulky solar system. But it wasn't enough to keep our battery charged.
I've learned about the origami folding technique used in space for solar panels, and I knew that the only way to get more power is to extend the area covered. I still remember when I worked as a design engineer in Formula 1. I ripped a piece of paper from a notebook and I started folding it until I found this triangular shape that could be replicated for solar panels.
When I saw it for the first time, I just thought, that's genius.
The benefit of the origami folding technique is that it folds in more than one direction. This means that it can become 8 times more compact when it's folded, which is 40% smaller than any other foldable solar panel on the market. This makes it really easy to travel with and to store it away when space is an issue.
We also included a lot of other innovations. The panel is among the most powerful folding panels in the market, which is 20% more power than any other in its range.
The panel is made in Italy from high quality materials. This makes it 20% lighter than most panels on the market. In fact, the power to weight ratio is among the best in the market.
It is a modular concept, so you can link more panels together and you can even get more power.
Or on the other hand, if you only need power for a day trip, you can detach a model and take it with you. The panel is quickly deployable. It goes from portable to full power in less than a minute. It's easy to unfold and to set up by yourself. The mobile panel is easy to direct towards the sun and take it off of shaded areas.
The Origami Solar Panel has been designed for many applications. Sailing, overlanding, RV traveling, camping, off-the-grid living.
And I can even charge my e-bike.
The panel is extremely versatile and it is also applicable to situations where high energy is needed, like maintenance use or emergency situations.
From its original concept, the panel has been developed and tested outdoors together with the nautical experts Dan and Kika from Sailing Uma.
Hi, my name is Kika.
I'm Dan.
And we've been living on our sailboat Uma for the last 9 years now.
Yeah, she's completely powered by solar and wind with an electric motor, so solar is how we power everything on board. We've been testing out the first version of the prototype on board our boat for the last year, and we're really excited to try out the new one this summer, and excited that it's launching on Kickstarter so that everyone can enjoy expandable solar. You can never have too much solar.
We worked with an engineering firm from Turin to industrialize the product. And now finally, we have found an awesome partner to produce the panels. And they will be made 100% in Italy, and we are ready for production.
We want to bring photovoltaics to the next level. I need your help to allow us to bring all the energy you need wherever you are.